12 long years I bore my sorrow, 12 long years of grief and pain. I gave my money to the doctors, but no relief ever came. My body ached, my heart was weary, no strength to carry on. Then I heard that Jesus was passing, and hope began to dawn. Through the crowd I moved so slowly, weak and trembling, barely strong. But deep inside I kept on saying, it won't be this way long. If I could touch the hem of his garment, I know I'd be restored. So I reached out in that moment and felt the power of the Lord. If I could touch the hem of his garment, I know I'd be made whole. If I could touch the hem of his garment, his power would heal my soul. The same Jesus who walked in mercy is still the healer today. Reach out by faith and touch him, he will make a way. Then Jesus turned in all the crowd and said, who touched me here? I fell before him trembling, but his voice was soft and clear. Daughter, your faith has made you whole. Go in peace, be free. And the same Lord who healed me then can do the same for thee. If I could touch the hem of his garment, I know I'd be made whole. If I could touch the hem of his garment, his power would heal my soul. The same Jesus who walked in mercy is still the healer today. Reach out by faith and touch him, he will make